Hi everyone, my name is Jean and the name of my channel is Jean Home Decor and More. Welcome back and welcome if you are new. Welcome to another quick and easy meal. Quick and easy meals are hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Deborah Cabasa Home Living, and myself, Jean Home Decor and More. Quick and Easy Meals is an open invite collaboration and it's hosted every Sunday at 7 p.m. So I'll be posting our links in the description box down below. Click on those links and you will get some awesome menu ideas for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, or dessert, okay? So today I'm going to be making baked turkey wings, and this is the recipe that I'm using. You can see the link for it. So if you want to use this recipe, you can do so. I'm going to be making this recipe with rice. Let me just show you that. This is the rice that I'll be using. So I'm going to be making the turkey wings over top the rice, and this is what the turkey wings are looking like, on the recipe. So after I make, after I get these all together, let's see if mine look like this. So I'm going to get the seasonings together. I'm not going to itemize what they all are because I've provided you with the link, and you can click on that link and you can see all of the seasonings that go into this recipe. Okay? Keep watching. So here are my 3 turkey wings in my roasting pan. I've cleaned them real good with lemon and apple cider vinegar. I cleaned them off really good. Okay. So now, and I patted them dry. So that's the first thing that I did. And so now I'm going to get my seasonings together. I'm going to season them up. I'm going to let you see what these look like all seasoned up. And I'm going to let them marinate for about an hour, okay? And then I'm going to pop them in the oven for about an hour and a half with the top on this roaster. And then toward the end, I'll take the top off the roaster. And I think if I recall correctly, this recipe calls for you to add a little water as it gets toward the end of roasting. So just keep watching, okay? All right, so these are the seasonings that I have used in my for my turkey wings. Okay, these are all the seasonings. And I have put all the seasoning on the turkey wings, and I topped it off with a little bit of olive oil. And then the recipe calls for me to add a cup for, if you're using 6 wings, I'm only using 3. So I'm going to add a half a cup of water, and then I'm going to put them in the oven for an hour and a half. They said not longer than an hour and a half on 350 degrees. So I'm letting this marinate for about 30 minutes. And I'll add the half a cup of water, and I'll pop these turkey wings in the oven. Keep watching. Okay, guys, so you can see we are looking just like the recipe online. I took the turkey wings out of the oven. They're not quite done yet. I have about 30 more minutes to go, but I took them out and basted them, and they are looking pretty good, if I must say so myself. So now I'm going to check the recipe to see if this is time for me now to keep the top off, and so I'll let you know. Okay, so I'm only going to put these back in the oven for about 15 minutes because with the top off, because the recipe calls for 6. I only made 3 because, we don't need 6. We might get tired of that. So I only made 3. I'm going to pop these back in the oven for 15 minutes with the top off. Okay, keep watching. All right, everyone, I would say these are done. So now I'm waiting on my rice. And I told you I don't stir my rice while it's cooking. And then I'm going to add some veggies to this. And then I will plate this for you guys to see. Okay, keep watching. Voila, here's the reveal. So here are my baked turkey wings over a bed of Spanish rice with some veggies on the side. Quick and easy. And the reason why this is quick and easy is because I baked it in the oven. So while it's in the oven, you can move around and do other things. So it makes your Sunday quite relaxing. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and please click on the link below for the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Deborah Cabasa Home Living, and myself to get other great recipes for quick and easy meals. Until the next time, have an amazing day. Bye-bye.